Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. My name is Rate Hening Tias from Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. In this occasion, I would like to present my paper entitled Building AI Literacy for Agile Digital Governance and Service Excellence, a community-based training pilot for government official and micro, small, and medium enterprises in Mindanao, Philippines. This paper is written in collaboration with Helen Dian Fridayani and Siti Novaiza Pasadana. Public institutions and small businesses increasingly use AI for drafting classification, automation, and decision support. In Southeast Asia developing economies, however, the principal barrier is often not tool availability, but limited staff capability, unreliable infrastructure, and the absence of structured training. In Mindanao, Philippines, public service delivery and MSMEs operation frequently rely on manual, paper-based process, weakening service efficiency, customer communication, and data-driven decision. Agile digital governance emphasize iterative learning, participation, and small, reviewable experience rather than top-down deployment. Community embedded training may operationalize this principle by linking AI skills to familiar workflow and allowing government and business participants to work together. Evidence from developing economy, local context remain limited, and training outcomes are often overstated as transformation without follow-up. This study tried to evaluate immediate learning and perceived readiness following an international community service training program at MSU IIT. A convergent mixed methods pilot evaluation was conducted in October until November 2025 at MSU IIT Iligan City. The intervention comprised 3 consecutive days of short explanation, demonstration, guided practice, and exercise based on participants' institutional and business tasks, covering AI tools, prompt, engineering, AI for software design, and automation. All 21 participants completed identical pre- and post-training self-assessment containing 40 liquor types items across 4 domains. Aggregated scores were transferred to a 0 to 100 scale and reported descriptively as percentage point. 12 participants, 7 government officials, and 5 MSMEs operators completed semi-structured interview on prior experience, application, barriers, trust, and intended word changes. Transcripts were analyzed using thematic analysis by 2 coders with a reported coherence kappa of 0.48. Approximately 18 hours of structured non-participant observation, documented engagement, peer assistance, practical AI use, and service business problem framing. Written informed consent and anonymous participant code were used. For the result and finding, average self-rated score increased from 45 to 82 for AI understanding, 30 to 78 for prompt engineering, 35 to 80 for productivity automation, and 14 to 85 for AI-enabled service. These 37 until 48 percentage point changes indicate immediate perceived learning, not verified mastery or retention. Qualitative evidence produced 4 themes. First, government participants described shifting from manual, paper-heavily reported to AI-drafted digital workflow, cutting routine tasks from hours to minutes. Second, MSME operator use AI to create promotion content and interpret simple consumer trends, lowering the cost of competitiveness. Third, prompt engineering emerged as the gateway skill, recording the largest gain that unlock relevant high-quality output. Fourth, unstable connectivity, the end of premium tool access, uneven baseline literacy, and concern about entering citizen data into public AI service constraint sustained use. Observation supported learning, and local relevant exercise, participant progress from one-line prompts to structures, context-rich instruction, and collaborative problem framing. The findings support community-based training as promising first step toward agile digital governance and service excellence, but not as evidence of long-term or scalable organization transformation. Public sector and MSME AI adoption depend on skill, data foundation, human accountability, affordable access, and evaluation. Future program should foreground prompt engineering, establish baseline measures, prohibit sensitive data entry into unproved platform, secure affordable post-training access, embedded AI ethic modules, and follow participants for at least 3 or 12 months. Objective indicator could include progress processing time, output quality, service completion rate, and MSA performance. This program was cost-effective, approximately 24.5 million for 21 participants across two sectors and strengthen UMY-MSU IIT collaboration, suggesting replicable across ASEAN. Responsible scaling requires stage experimentation and government design before technology expansion. That's all for my presentation today, and I'm waiting for the response, comment, and question. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.